Greetings everyone, and we are going to present to you the our project, the Wikipedia UX UI design project. So, so this is the mock design we have created and the UI design, and see the difference of the mock design and the UI design. So this is the homepage of the website. So this is the welcome page of or the intro page of the website. This page display the logo of the Wikipedia, and it also have header that have home button to direct in main page of the website. About about button to direct in page discussing the purpose of this website. So create account is to direct for create account page to create and to create in the website. And the login button is to direct for logging their existing account. So this is the login page, the design in Mac design and the UI design. So this page is a login page for Wikipedia website, not a password reset page. The design feature of this website, Wikipedia logo, prominent at the top and bottom of the page. The left side of the website contains login field labeled username and password along with a login button. So next web page is the sign up page. So this is the Mac design and the UX design. So this page is a sign up page where you can create an account. The user can input their username, password, confirm password, and email address. The user can also check the button of the terms of service and privacy policy if she reads and accept before creating an account.
So the importance of choosing application system in Wikipedia is an essential resource because it makes knowledge available to anybody with internet connection by offering freely available, easily accessible information a wide range of topics. Because of its collaborative character, a wide spectrum of people can contribute, guaranteeing a diversity of viewpoints and current content. Reliable information and transparency are promoted by the platform's emphasis on citation and verifiability. It is a vital teaching tool that is frequently utilized for preliminary study and learning by scholars, educators, and students. So Wikipedia multilingual content and open source methodology contribute to information democratization and cross-linguistic and cultural divides worldwide. And the problem intended to be solved, the current website has an unnecessarily inter-site design. It's challenging for people to navigate because of its complexity. The overall user experience is negatively impacted by the design lack of simplicity. So simplifying the design can improve usability and accessibility. The website will be easier to use and more initiative if the layout is simplified. Improving user engagement and happiness requires addressing these problems. And in target user clients, everyone searching for solution to their question is one of our target user and clients. So our goal is to help everyone who requires direction in order to navigate their ideas. Our services are intended for anyone who needs guidance and direction. So we serve people who are interested in learning more about the answers to their queries. Our objective is to offer perceptive and significant responses, so we are available to assist anyone pursuing self-discovery or knowledge. So in walkthrough to your system application, upon accessing the system, this will be the first page. So here we have a Wikipedia, the home, about, create, like that. In the second one, if you click the login button, this web page will appear. The login username, password, and the create account. So the third, if you click create account buttons, this is what you will see. So the step by step on how to use your system application, the welcome page, the Wikipedia, the login page, and the sign up page. So insignificance of HCI in your creating your project. So the importance of human-computer interaction, or the HCI, in our project's development stems from its emphasis on maximizing usability and user experience. We made sure that interface is user-friendly by implementing HCI principles, which makes it simpler for users to navigate and complete their jobs. Throughout the design process, consideration for user feedback enabled features to be continuously improved and refined. So accessibility is emphasized by HCI, making sure that people with a range of abilities may use the project. And understanding user wants and habits is another aspect of this strategy that result in one more effective individualized solution. In the end, HCI leads to increased user involvement and happiness, both of which are essentials for the project success. The importance of human-computer interaction, or the HCI, in my project's development stems from its emphasis on maximizing usability and user experience. So that's all. Thank you.
So as you can see here, this is the homepage of our proposed design, which is the Wikipedia. So as you can see, it is far beyond our mock-up design because of some circumstances and barriers. So if you're going to click about, this web page will appear, which is the um, web page for about. Then if you're going to click create account, so this register or create account web page will appear. And if we're going to click the already have an account, it will be directed to the login page. And if you're going to create account, just click that so it can um, access the create account web page again. And if you're going to click the Wikipedia logo above, it will direct you again to the home page. So that's all. Thank you for watching.